Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, you already know the vibes. If not, make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch the full video. Yes, the homes are nice, the palm trees, the wind just blowing, flowing. Hello, Florida baby. Thanks for having us. So today I will be giving you a house tour of my luxury villa here in Orlando, Florida. So we're getting ready to pull up in front of our villa, and here we are. I just entered into the foyer, and off to the right of this beautiful 5-bedroom home, there's an amenity of a family arcade or game room where we can enjoy family and entertainment time or game night. It has a PlayStation, Sega Genesis, arcade, anything you name it had it. Now we're going to go ahead and walk into the next bedroom. That was my mom's room, so I'm not even going to enter there, give her privacy, but we'll continue on walking down. So in front of you is the living room area. Hey baby. And then we have the kitchen area, updated stainless steel appliances, granite countertop. That's the dining area. That's the pool, but I'm gonna give you a better footage of that later on. Has a nice little flat screen TV. Now we're gonna go head up the stairs and into the kids' room. They're super excited. This is our first family vacation together. They have a Pac-Man arcade, another game there.
Is this our room? Yes, it's this. Oh my god.
So I'm gonna say this is Princess Elsa. I guess like a princess bunk bed. The TV is inside of there. Oh, these kids are gonna love it. They have their own private bathroom as well.
Get down, get down.
And then we're gonna go into King's
right here.
room.
Turn the light on.
The decor in here looks really, really nice. They're definitely excited. He has like a dark space down at the bottom where there's a TV there, a lounge chair.
He got a TV down there at the bottom.
If he wanted to read a book or have some quiet time, you can do that in here as well.
Under there.
So I thought that was really super cute. That was a nice little touch to his room. It's pretty dark, but it has LED lights and everything inside of it. So we're in the next bedroom. This is a full queen size bed. And then it has a balcony off to the room. It also has its own private bathroom as well. Nice flat screen TV. Everything was comfortable and it met our expectations. And now we're going to go and head over into my room, the master bedroom where I was staying. It does have a laundry room over there, washer and dryer, has a walk-in closet. It's the beautiful room, amazing decor. And then we are walking into the bathroom. It has a jacuzzi tub. It definitely had its jets. It's a walk-in shower separate from the bathtub, of course. And then that is the view. That is it right there. This bomb-ass pool, y'all. The villa had its private pool. Look at that. Amazing. With the jacuzzi tub. So we all had a wonderful, amazing time. The view was amazing. Look at the palm trees and the trees in the sun. Listening to the birds. I came out and sat on the balcony quite a few times just to, you know, have some peace and serenity. So the villa also has a private pool area, which is here.
Sandra, turn around.
It can get wet. It don't mean you can just go swimming with it.
Mom, we're going to the tunnel.
Oh, now why would you do that, girl? Yeah, you gonna have him scared. You alright, you alright, you alright, you alright.
The water the whole time.
You alright, man. Kendra, that's the bad auntie. Bad auntie.
So we're at the waterfall. We have a leafy river, it's a nice waterfall. It's very clean. It's friendly. Nice palm trees. Very relaxing.
Struggle. Struggle. Oh, really? You drop your drink up there?
Nah, put it down.
You happy? Keep the photographer the whole time.
Yeah, I'm doing a video for you. Alex is going to put together a video. Hey, you going the wrong way? You can still go around.
I'm feeling this.
This way. Oh, that's a slide.
Look how you got your nose done.
No, that's a slide. You didn't go down the slide yet, man.
I was trying to floating. I'm little.
Say hi, man. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Ship.
Yeah, I know I was gonna get on it.